Cynthia McAllister. I've been in IT for over 20 years, and I'm the owner of Quality SAP, which is an IT company that specializes in mobile application development. I truly have a passion for helping people, bringing people together, and supporting small businesses.
What I've taken away from this wonderful, informative workshop is there's so many different ways to market your business, brand your business, so many different resources that you can utilize, whether it be social media, print, videos, and I'm going to be incorporating quite a few of those tips and tricks in my marketing business plan and strategy. Thank you so much, Cynthia McAllister with KeySpot.
Today's exercises were very stimulating. I'm ready to get out there and build this business.
It was a great workshop, a lot of informative information, and I learned a great slogan for my business, and the information here was phenomenal, knowing that someone is out there to help you to be successful.